Hi, today I'm front of new OPPO Find X2 Neo and I'll show you how to turn on always on display feature on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then tap to the personalization section. Here you'll see always on display section, and just to activate always on display feature we should click here on this switcher. Also we can change here display options of the AOD feature. Also we can use it in power saving mode by just schedule from this. We can set here the start and the end time, or just use it all day. So let's tap to save. Just let's lock the device, and now we can see that we just successfully activated the always on display feature on our OPPO device. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.